Your home is heating up, and it will only get worse. The electric bill for the air conditioning is going to be through the roof. Additionally, running traditional air conditioning can be expensive and harmful to your health. AC units use a lot of energy and can actually make your home less healthy by circulating dust, pollen, and other allergens in your home. Here's why a whole house fan is worth the investment. Save up to 50 to 70% off on AC costs. You are saving tons of money on AC usage due to the energy efficiency the whole house fan brings. AC use can be cut dramatically or even entirely eliminated in specific climate zones with a whole house fan. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button on this video right now to get your free in-home estimate.